We are going to be defining these curls, so we're definitely doing that next. But if y'all wanted to wear this hair straight out of the packaging, it's a vibe. I begin to. So this is the boxing for Asteria hair, y'all. This is a very cute color of the box. Inside of the box, it does come with a few headbands, dust bag to keep the wig in, and here is the wig, y'all. This is a curly headband wig. I know y'all remember the headband wigs, y'all. I love me some headband wigs. Very convenient, very simple to throw on. We're gonna be installing her detailed step by step today, and now we're here. Y'all, I am in desperate need of something like this curly headband wig, okay? Underneath this bonnet, I do have some braids. They're not old braids, but I have had them in for almost 2 weeks now. And a headband wig is something you do not have to have your hair left out unless you want your hair left out. So for this method, I will be doing it over some braids, but you can do a low ponytail, you can do a low bun, you can do like 3-4 juicy plaits pinned up. Whatever you do for you to get it secure and flat, you do that. Especially if you want like that hair left out look, I recommend either starting your braids farther back so it gives the illusion of like a slick back, or just slick your hair back and throw on a wig on top of it. Here is another look at the construction. It does come with the adjustable headband piece. So that's what this is. You have a comb in the middle. You have combs near each ear tab. And you have a comb in the back. So I like to use all of these when I'm wearing a headband wig just to make sure it's going to be secured. And I use the adjustable strap of the wig, okay? These are the curls coming straight out. If you want to wear your hair like this, we can do that. So I'm going to be first wearing it exactly how it comes out. Then I'm going to be showing y'all a quick and simple way to define these curls and some little easy hairstyles that we can finesse with a curly headband wig. So let's do it. One thing about headband wigs, I like to apply mine exactly how I apply my wigs. So we're just going to throw it on first. I'm going to take the hair and clip it out of the way. Then I have this to work with. Y'all see how it's kind of not centered? Go ahead and slide it to center it now before you actually go in with combs. So I feel for the comb, and then I literally just comb it in to my head. Now, you don't have to use the combs. I'm just doing it for an extra layer of security. You're going to take this piece and snap it on. That is very secured. It is a snug fit, and I really do like that. Like, it's no extra flap. Everything is just secured and good to go. I would wear it like this if this was a bun, but we're not to the styling yet. We're gonna go ahead and put this hair down. Yeah. Wow. Push back the headband just a little bit, and it kind of still gives like that I could have my hair out look. That's how we're looking. This hair is pretty. If you like big hair, you can stay at this step because this is pretty. And to one up it, I'm gonna go ahead and add some of the headbands that came with it. This is what that looks like. And of course, y'all, you can use the headbands that you want. Like after this one, I'm gonna put on the one that I want to wear with this outfit. But I just want to show y'all the one out of the box is also one that you can wear. Oh, this is pretty. So that is how that looks. So the first style that we're gonna do, you're gonna need some type of headband. What is this? You're gonna need some type of an elastic band. This is the one that I'm using, and I'm just gonna put the hair up in a ponytail. I'm going for a high pony. That's how that's looking, y'all. I literally just took the ends and just tucked it under itself. If I wanted to secure it, I would just use bobby pins. While it's up in a ponytail, we're gonna switch out our headbands. If I was going to the gym or something, y'all, I would just wear it just like this. Like, I like the black for like multi-purpose wear. it works, okay? And if you don't like the scrunch look, just take it and hide your edges. You don't want your edges showing, that's fine. I'm going to go in with my brown because I love shades of brown. And put it on. And when it gets cold, y'all, the ear muff, ear warmers things with a headband wig goes crazy. Like, do y'all see how that'll keep your ears warm, but at the same time, it's like fashion? I like this with the brown. We are going to be defining these curls, so we're definitely doing that next. But if y'all wanted to wear this hair straight out of the packaging, it's a vibe. You know. I begin to.
You're mine for sure.